a bit of problem. I need the vehicle to get higher up. So this end right here could give me more space to take the fuel pump completely out and get to work a little bit, disconnecting the fuel lines and so forth. So that's what we on, man. Trying to get it done, man. Shout out to Precision Fuel Pumps on this fuel pump right here. We can hopefully get it back up and running here, getting it forward, back up and running pretty soon. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have uninstalled the fuel pump and we'll get it ready to go back with the install. If you notice there, I got the wires, connectors hanging, fuel lines hanging, and fuel pump is disregarded over here to the side. It's just bad. It's brand new, in pretty good condition. Seemed like to me. You can tell this was a new fuel pump. It's just bad manufacture, and we're just gonna go back in with a new one in place and see if we can get going again. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm gonna chime you back in for more. Alright guys, so here it is. I'm about to install a new fuel pump, and this pretty beast of a monster sitting right here, and I got to take the packaging off of there, you know, and stuff like that. And we're gonna go ahead and sit this bad boy in, and you know, it's got a seal. Yeah, put a new seal right in there. I'll put a seal back in there. I'll have, you know what I'm saying, gas going everywhere. But man, I want to give a shout out to YouTube, man, for all the videos that YouTube let you guys put out, instructional videos, man, so that I can learn to do this. Because I've never done this before, man, the first time. So shout out to YouTube, man. And I hope it's something on here that I showed to help somebody else that's doing some work on a Ford Ranger tension replacement. My videos more or less for entertainment, tenfold. So man, y'all, I'm gonna tune you back in when I get to another segment of this video. Alright y'all, so I got the wire connection hooked up right there, as you can see. And I got the fuel pump back in place, the new fuel pump. I got it sealed down. I just gotta lift the tank back up, strap the tank back up, and I guess we might be back on the road again, man. You know what I'm saying? Can't give up, man. I ain't had no money to pay nobody to do it, so I had to get on the tube and figure it out. Alright, so I'll tune y'all back in when I get it all strapped up. Alright y'all, shit. I finally tightened up the last bolt, the last hanging strap. With the, you see what I'm saying? Tighten the last hanging strap. I got that one tightened up. You probably can't see too good on here, but if so long with me, I got the gas tank up pretty much what I'm saying. You know, I tightened the last strap. And tighten this strapped over. It's already tightened up, and just a matter of cranking it up. See what's up. Man, I just come from underneath the truck, man, and it's time to try to crank it up and see if this thing gonna crack, man. see, there's a couple of tools that I use to get it out of there. Some extensions. And you gotta go down here and down to that side. Try to crank this thing up. So what's gonna happen with it? Feel me? Alright, y'all, here goes, man. We're gonna try to crank this thing up and see what we got going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. See, we hear the fuel pump. Do hear the fuel pump. Near the fuel pump. Near the fuel pump. Okay, here we go, guys. She cranked right up. There we go. There you have, fella. This run a little rough, but we got it cranked up. New install. Engine shaking a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But got a fuel pump installed. I checked to see if it was a relay. It wasn't a relay. Checked to see if it had power going down to the back. It had power. Had a test and let me know that what it was, man. So, got to put this right here. I got to put that in there. I got to put the screws in. That's about the last thing I got to do, man. Thanks for watching, man.